Hello friends, welcome to SMA vlog. I'm Shahid. Today in this video I'm going to make a special chicken curry, and in this chicken curry I'm going to use some special spices to make this chicken curry different than your usual chicken curry. So I hope you guys will be with me and enjoy the process to make this amazing chicken curry. So guys, before starting to prepare this chicken curry, I want to thank all my subscribers who already subscribed this channel, and also if you are new to this channel, you can consider to subscribe my channel and also click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So now let's go and start the process. So to prepare this chicken curry, I need some specific ingredients. So basically I'm going to use this curry powder, and I took 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I took 1 tablespoon of chili powder, around 10 pieces of green chili. I cut those green chilies into half. I took around 7 pieces of garlic. I will use salt according to the taste. I will use 1 tablespoon of yogurt and little bit of all this sauce. So about the sauces, I want to say that it depends on your taste, but now I want to use Worcester sauce, little bit sweet chili sauce, little bit tomato ketchup, a little bit of soya sauce, a small amount of this hot chili sauce. For this cooking process, I want to use this instant pot, basically because I want to cook this chicken into high pressure so that all the flavors will be stuck inside, and as I am using this curry powder, it will become more flavorful curry. To start this process, I want to first press the saute button, and now when the saute is ready, I am going to saute this onion and all these spices. After sauteing these spices, I will add the chicken inside this instant pot. So let's start the process. First I am adding cooking oil inside. So I took half cup of cooking oil. This is the only time I put cooking oil, that's it. So basically I took 2 onions and I cut those into small cubes, but my intention is not to use all of them. Maybe I will use half. Let's see, it depends on the amount of chicken. So the max is 2 onions, but today I'm going to use 1. Now I'm adding this curry powder, this garlics, 10 pieces of green chili cut into half, and this chili powder, 1 tablespoon. I will not put any sauce right now. I will put the sauce at the end when I put these chickens inside. As I took 2 chickens, of course the salt you have to use according to your taste, but I prefer to use 2 spoon of salt. This is teaspoon, 2.5. That will be enough. Now as you see that the spices are ready and the oil is coming out, so my sauteing is done. It's ready for start the cooking. So right now I'm going to turn off the saute. So guys, today I took 2 whole chickens to make this chicken curry. So what I found that using 2 whole chicken is more than enough to make a chicken curry. So I took out some good pieces from those whole 2 chickens and try to make some chicken barbecue in my air fryer, and I will make a chicken curry separately in the instant pot. So now I took this much chicken out from those 2 whole chickens, and I want to make a special barbecue in my air fryer. To make this, I am going to use these 4 ingredients. Now first of all, I took some chicken tandoori mix, and I took regular yogurt, some salt, and some cooking oil. To make this chicken barbecue, I have to marinate this chicken for around 2 hours, and after 2 hours I will put this chicken into my air fryer. This is not mandatory to leave this chicken marinated for 2 hours. You can put it at least half an hour. Half an hour will be enough for this, but if you put 2 hours, it will be better. So now to make this, to marinate this, I am putting this chicken tandoori mix. A little bit more. A little bit of cooking oil. That's enough. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of salt and some yogurt. I'm putting, it's a regular yogurt. So I changed my mind a little bit. I want to add some hot chili sauce because I want this chicken to be hot. So a little bit of hot chili sauce. I have to cover this chicken with a lid. I will leave this chicken for next 2 hours, and the rest of the chicken I am going to put in this instant pot. One thing I need to say that you will see some water inside this chicken. You shouldn't put this water, so carefully just took the chicken and put inside this instant pot. You have to make sure that this chicken mixes with this spice properly, because as we are going to seal this lid, so we will not get chance to stir it later. So now this is the only chance to stir it properly at this point. I will put 1 tablespoon of yogurt, oyster sauce, around 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce. I'm putting 1 tablespoon. Next is tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon. Soya sauce, it's a regular soya sauce, half tablespoon. Some chili sauce. Now you need to give a good stir. Now it's ready. Now I can close this lid, and I have to make sure this pressure release knob into closed position. I have to cook this as meat for around 20 minutes. So now I have to wait for next 20 minutes to finish this cooking. After this cooking is done, my chicken will be ready, and you see it's very easy to prepare, and as I used that curry powder, and it will be very tasty, I'm sure of that. So let's wait for next 20 minutes. So guys, at this point we see that this is showing low 8, so it means 8 minutes before our 20 minutes is over. So now I can turn it off. Press the cancel button, and I have to now release the pressure. It's already 2 hours. So now my chickens are ready. Now I will put these chickens inside the air fryer. Now I'm putting these chickens on the tray. There is no special rule here. You can put these chickens in your own way. So I took out these chickens from the 2 whole chickens that I had, but if you buy only chicken wing, you can make those chicken wings in the same way. So it will become barbecue, and it will give you the excellent flavor of barbecue. I put all together here. Now for the chicken, I have to put 370 degree. This is good, and for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, and so I have to wait for next 20 minutes to finish this cooking. And then after 20 minutes I will take this barbecue chickens out, and those will be ready for serving. So let's wait for next 20 minutes. When this is half done, you have to just take it out and take a look. Looks very nice. You need to just shake a little bit and then put it back again. Okay, so our chicken is ready. Now I have to take out this chicken. Now I need to put some sauce. This is tomato ketchup. And this is chili sauce. And finally my favorite, sweet and chili sauce. So after putting this sauce, you have to cover it up and give them a good shake. Okay, this is ready, and I just put this sauce, so if you touch this chicken it will come into your hand. So to make this sauce to stick on the chicken, I have to put this again in the basket and give this a good shake and start this machine again for 2 minutes. 370 degree temperature, 2 minutes. Wow, so my 2 minutes is over. These chickens are ready to go now. Let's serve the serving dish. This is the amazing barbecue chicken. Wow, so hot and amazingly tasty. As you saw that very easily, I just marinated these chickens, left it for 2 hours, and after that I throw those chickens into this air fryer and it's done. It took only 20 minutes. That's it. It's very tasty. It's sweet, it's spicy, little bit hot, and very nice. I like it so much. Especially this chicken is a very good snack. It can go anytime during watching the movie or anytime, in the morning, in the afternoon. It can go with anything. So that's why I shared this recipe with you guys. You can make it so easily. Wow, it looks very good. It's a little bit oily, but not bad. Wow, amazing. One thing I need to say that if you cook into this instant pot, after just opening this lid, if you think that it's ready to eat, you will be making a big mistake, because it's too hot, the juice, and the meat is also very hot. It is a great chance that you will burn out your tongue and throat, everything. So just wait little bit, let it cool down, then you can try. My one is okay now. It's so tasty, it's full of flavor, and it's amazing. You can have this curry with any kind of rice or any bread. It will go together, and the taste is awesome. It's easy to make, and you guys can try at home. It's very easy and very tasty. So guys, thanks for being with me till to the end of this video. I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.